Hello friends, today we'll discuss a very important question regarding to the breast carcinoma and I hope you like this topic. Let's read the question. A 50-year-old woman feels lump in her breast. On examination, it is revealed there is film irregular mass in lower outer quadrant and a mammography shows 2 semi-density with focal microcalcification. An excisional biopsy shows ductal invasive carcinoma and immunohistochemistry testing it is negative for estrogen receptor and FISH analysis shows the finding in image. Okay, so when we combine with the doxorubicin, which of the following drugs will be most helpful for treating this patient? Okay, let approach to the question step by step. Okay, so first the clinical features, that is 50-year-old women, that is postmenopausal women, because most of the breast carcinoma occur in postmenopausal women. Okay, and in mammography there is microcalcification. So histopathologist send the sample for the excisional biopsy. And it reveals ductal invasive carcinoma. So undoubtedly it is the breast carcinoma. So for starting with the treatment, we have to understand the molecular pattern of the cancer cell. So then we can target this cancer cell by the drug. Okay, so molecular pattern of cancer cell can be determined by the molecular classification of the breast carcinoma. We have 4 types of molecular classification, that is luminal A, luminal B, okay, HER2 new enriched, and last basal like. And what is the molecular pattern? In luminal A, there is overexpression of estrogen receptor and progesterone receptor in the cancer cell. Estrogen receptor positive and progesterone receptor positive in the cancer cell. In luminal A and luminal B both. In HER2 new enriched cancer, what happened? There is overexpression of a special type of receptor that is known as HER2 new receptor. But there is estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor negative. And in basal like there is 3 negative, that is estrogen receptor negative, progesterone receptor is negative, as well as HER2 new receptor also negative. So it is known as triple negative breast carcinoma. To identify the molecular pattern of the cancer cell, we have to take the help of FISH technique. Okay, so it is a image given and it is determined by the FISH technique. Okay, so let's understand what is FISH. FISH means fluorescent in situ hybridization. Fluorescent in situ hybridization means we are taking some fluorescent dye by which we are hybridized with the chromosome, part of the chromosome or chromosome itself, to identify the molecular pattern. Okay, remember HER2 new receptors gene is present in chromosome number 17. Okay, and we are taking green color dye for hybridized with HER2 new gene, and for chromosome number 17 we are using red color dye, red color fluorescent dye obviously, and okay, and we are hybridizing with the chromosome 17 centromere. Okay, so in what happened in the normal case there will be 2 HER2 gene and 2 chromosome 17. Okay, it is normal case, each cell have 2 chromosome, that means 2 17 number chromosome and 2 HER2 new gene. Okay, so it gives 2 green color dot. Okay, 2 green color dot for the hard-to-new gene and 2 red color dot for chromosome number 17. But in this picture you are getting there is more number of green color, okay, more green color. So I have already measured the number of green color, and now let determine the hard to new divide by chromosome 17. Okay, so hard to new number is here is 17 green dot, and chromosome number 17, that is red color, is here 11. So obviously it is more than 1, but in normal case hard to by 17 number chromosome is always 1. So we can say that it is hard to new enriched breast carcinoma. Okay, so we can say it is hard to new enriched breast carcinoma. So now come to the treatment to target this hard to new receptor. So here it is given the deoxyribonucleic. It is standard anti-cancer drug, and we have to add a targeted anti-cancer drug for deleting those HER2 receptors, and for this reason we have to prescribe trastuzumab. Trastuzumab is HER2 new receptor monoclonal antibody against HER2 new receptor. Okay, it is monoclonal antibody against the HER2 new receptor. So right answer should be the trastuzumab. And another option given hydroxyurea. No, it is cytotoxic anti-cancer drug. So answer should not be hydroxyurea. And Letrozole is aromatase inhibitor. Letrozole is aromatase inhibitor. It is used in postmenopausal breast carcinoma which is ERPR positive. ERPR positive means estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor positive. And another option is given the raloxifene. Yes, raloxifene is selective estrogen receptor modulator, that is anti-estrogenic. So you can easily say that it is used in estrogen receptor positive breast carcinoma. Okay, so here the right answer should be trastuzumab, which is monoclonal antibody against the HER2 new receptor. Okay, thank you friends.